Okay, my boss requested for a detail of baffle wall. So as you can see, there's two of them, one small one and one big one. Okay, I'm just checking the layout if it's correct and the dimensions. Okay, this one's good. Now I'm going to the second sheet, and this is the elevation of the rebar wall. I mean the rebar of the buffle wall. Okay, I'm just checking out, and this one is the bar bending diagram. Okay, and this is the connection of the buffle wall to the column, already done, and it's okay for me. And then the next one is the BBS, the bar bending schedule. I'm just checking out the quantities and the dimension. And this is the detail of the bigger buffle wall. And these X's are the openings and underneath. So again, I'm just checking if there's any flaws in the drawing. Okay, so it's okay for me. Those yellow ones are the rebars. Again, this is the second sheet of the BBS. So I'm just checking again. Okay, and I'm done. And now this is the printout. And this is the hard copy. Now I'm just again rechecking if it's okay for submission, and I'm pretty much satisfied with my work. Double checking again the BBS, and this is, yeah, the elevation rebar, the second BBS. Okay, I'm really satisfied, so it's ready for submission. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and so that I will make more videos of this. Thank you.